exploring the ancient ruins of Taxila, a journey through Pakistan's historical heritage. Taxila, located in the modern-day province of Punjab, Pakistan, is an ancient city that has played a significant role in history. Welcome to Kumrat Tourism Private Limited. It was once a major center of Buddhism, as well as a hub for trade and education. The ruins of Taxila, also known as Sirkap, comprise of a complex of Buddhist monasteries, stupas, and temples that date back to the 1st century BC. These ruins are now a UNESCO World Heritage Site and attract thousands of tourists each year. The history of Taxila can be traced back to the 6th century BC, during the time of the Achaemenid Empire. The city then passed through the hands of the Mauryan Empire, the Indo-Greek Kingdom, the Indo-Scythians, the Kushan Empire, and the Gupta Empire before it was finally conquered by the Huns in the 5th century AD. One of the most famous sites in Taxila is the Dharmarajika Stupa, which is believed to have been built during the reign of Emperor Ashoka in the 3rd century BC. The stupa is a massive structure, measuring over 100 feet in diameter, and is said to contain the ashes of the Buddha. The stupa is surrounded by a courtyard and several smaller stupas, making it an impressive sight to behold. The stupa was excavated by Sir John Marshall in the early 20th century and has been a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1980. Another notable site in Taxila is the Jalyan Monastery, which dates back to the 2nd century AD. The monastery is an excellent example of Gandhara architecture and features intricate carvings and frescoes. Visitors can see the remains of the monastery's central courtyard, as well as several small stupas and shrines. The monastery was discovered by a British archaeologist, Sir Alexander Cunningham, in the late 19th century and has been a protected site since 1980. The city of Taxila is also home to several other ancient sites, including the Sirkap city, which was built during the 1st century BC, and the Burr Mound, which dates back to the 6th century BC. These ancient ruins offer a glimpse into the rich history and culture of the area and are a must-see for anyone interested in archaeology or history. The Sirkap city was excavated by Sir John Marshall in the early 20th century and is considered one of the most important archaeological sites in the region. In addition to its historical and heritage sites, Taxila is also known for its natural beauty. The area around Taxila is home to several natural wonders, such as the Haripur Kanpur Dam, which is a popular spot for picnics and fishing, and the Kanpur Dam, which is a popular spot for boating and water sports. The Kanpur Dam has located approximately 6 kilometers from Taxila and is a popular spot for picnics and fishing. If you want to tour Pakistan's UNESCO and historical sites from any country in the world, contact our company Kumrat Tourism Private Limited. Visit our website www.kumrattourism.com for tour packages. Taxila is also home to the Taxila Museum, which houses a vast collection of artifacts from the city's rich history. The museum exhibits a wide range of items, including sculptures, pottery, and coins that date back to the ancient Gandhara civilization. The Taxila Museum is considered one of the most important museums in Pakistan and is a must-visit for anyone interested in the history of the region. Overall, Taxila is a must-visit destination for anyone interested in history, archaeology, or culture. The city's rich heritage, combined with its natural beauty, makes it an ideal